Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today I'll show you how to restrict the shipping option for specific items which are available for pickup only using the Cart Lock app. First, open the Cart Lock app and click on the Add a New Rule button. Next, click on the Add a New Condition button. From the available options, select the Products option. In the field provided, add the items that cannot be shipped. You can add one or multiple products depending on what needs restriction. Now click Add a New Condition again and select the Delivery Types option. From the Delivery Types list, select Block if not found, choose Local Pickup to block the shipping option for the selected products. Make sure to give your rule a name in the rule name field for easy recognition later. In the error message field, add a custom message such as, "Some items cannot be shipped." Leave match conditions to all, meaning the rule will apply when both the product and delivery type conditions are met. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's test it out. When a customer tries to check out with one of the restricted items and selects the shipping option, they'll see the custom error message and the shipping option will be blocked. Nästa As you can see, I am seeing the error message, so the shipping option is successfully restricted for the selected items. That's how easy it is to restrict shipping for specific products using the Cart Lock app. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!